is it? What is it? Tell me.
It's Heather.
What is it? What is it?
She left this morning with Bianca.
What?
I looked everywhere for her. I even went to the priest. He said they were married. Tevye.
Married?
Tevye.
Go home, Golda. We have other children at home. You have work to do. I have work to do. Go home.
But Hava
is dead to us!
Tevye.
We won't forget about her! Go home!
Tevye.
Go home!
Tevye.
Little bird, little Havila, I don't understand what's happening today. Everything is all a blur. All I can see is a happy child, the sweet little bird you were, Havila, Havila. Little bird, little Havila, you were always such a pretty little thing, everybody's favorite child. Gentle and kind and affectionate, what a sweet little bird you were, Havila, Havila.
Papa, I have to talk to you. At least listen to me, Papa. I beg you to accept us.
Accept him? How can I accept him? Can I deny everything? Can I deny my own child? How can I turn my back on my faith? On my people? If I try to bend that far, I will break. On the other hand, there is no other hand. No other.